Paschim Uttan Asana. For Paschim Uttan Asana, spread your both legs in front, both legs together, knees straight. First, come in prayer pose. Inhale. With complete exhale, go for the maximum forward bend as much as you can. First, try to grip your toes with both hands. Your knees will remain straight, and with complete exhale, your forehead is supposed to touch between your knees. Hold it for a few seconds. Then with inhale, come back and relax in comfortable position. Breathe normal, eyes closed. Setu Bandh Asana. For Setu Bandh Asana, lie down on your back first. Now, fold your both legs. Heels should come close to hips. Small gap between toes. And keep your toes absolutely straight. Now, keep your palms on floor, back absolutely straight. Try to raise hips as much as you can, breathing normal. Look straight up towards sky and hold this position at least for 10 seconds. Feel the pressure on back muscles, on your spinal region, also on the glute area. Hold it for 10 seconds. Then come back slowly, rest your back on floor, and gradually you can increase the time from 10 to 20, 20 to 30 seconds. Try to do at least 3 repetitions each day. Raise your back maximum, hips up, hold it for 10 to 20 seconds, and then come back slowly, relax your back. Pavan Mukta Asana, one of the finest asana for gas-related issues. Lie down on your back first. Fold your right leg. Always start Pavan Mukta Asana from right side. Raise your right leg, fold, grip your leg with both hands, press maximum on your stomach, then try to touch your chin on knee, toes pointed, and maintain position with normal breathing. Approximate 5 to 10 breath normal. Then head down, spread your leg back. Left leg up, fold, press against stomach, touch your chin, normal breathing. Hold it for a while, head down and back. In final position, raise your both legs, fold, tight and close grip, press maximum on your stomach, feel pressure on intestines, then touch your chin between knees, toes pointed again, and hold this position with normal breathing. Head down, spread your both legs and come back. Relax your back, breathe easy. Bhramari Pranayam. For Bhramari Pranayam, sit in comfortable position with straight back. Close small part of the ear with your thumb, and rest of the fingers will come on your eyes. And then you have to create humming sound like a black bee. Close your ears, rest of the fingers on your eyes. Deep inhale. Try to make sound as long as possible. It will be more beneficial for you. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. For Anulom Vilom Pranayam, sit straight in comfortable position. Keep your back, neck, head straight in line. First, exhale through your nose with pressure. Close your right nostril with thumb and deep inhale from left side. Then change your nostril track and exhale from right. Then inhale from right side. Change, exhale from left. Try to breathe as much as you can. Maximum utilization of lungs should be there in this breathing exercise, and try to do it approximate 5 minutes every day.